Vicki made us this really cute show and tell. And this uses AccuQuilts. This is the Crazy Quilt Die. This is the smaller one. This is the smaller die. They have two versions of it. So one is for the go big, one's for the go. This one makes a 6-inch block. I like this one myself mostly because you can put a layer cake on this. And it's the perfect size. So all of those layer cakes that y'all are hoarding, I have a stack like.
We hoard? Are you saying quilters hoard?
No. So,
Quilters collect.
collecting, all those layer cakes that you're collecting, this is perfect. Because they just go together, sews together so easy. There's a good video online about it. But, isn't that pretty? And we do have all of these fabrics in the store. These are really, really cool. I love these.
Yeah, it came together really well.
Yeah, it
Color's
is.
nice.
It's a beautiful one. Very springtime. Reminds me of, this reminds me of irises. The purple irises.
Oh, yeah.
And they're blooming
Or
right now.
lilacs?
Lilacs.
Yeah.
Yep.
The bees will be out. It's springtime.
Cute. Cute, cute, cute.